today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up and use Trello for managing your projects. Whether you're new to Trello or looking to refine your approach, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the platform with ease. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Trello website. Once there, enter your login credentials, which might include an email address or a username and password. After logging in, you'll land on the Trello dashboard, your central hub for organizing tasks and projects. Now let's create a new board, which is your main workspace in Trello. This is where the magic happens. To create a board, look for the Create button on your dashboard and click it. When a drop-down menu appears, select Create Board. This prompts you to set up a new board tailored specifically to your needs. Here you can choose a background too. Trello offers a variety of colorful and visually appealing backgrounds, allowing you to customize the board's appearance to match your style or the theme of your project. Once you've decided on a background, give your board a memorable and descriptive title. This small step ensures that you and your team can easily identify and access it later. Next, consider the visibility of your board. Click on the Visibility option to see choices like Private, Workspace, or Public. Picking the right one is crucial for your team's needs and privacy requirements. A public board is accessible to anyone on the internet, whereas a private one is restricted to specific users. A workspace board is somewhat in the middle, available to workspace members. With your board ready, it's time to establish some organization by creating lists. Think of lists as categories or stages in your workflow where you can map out different phases of your project. You can create as many lists as you need, allowing you to tailor to the complexity of your work. Once your lists are established, it's time to add cards to them. Cards are the core of Trello, representing individual tasks or pieces of information. Click on a list to add a new card and give it a specific name based on the task or content it holds. To further break down tasks, you can add checklists within cards. Click on the card you've created, and you'll find the option to add a checklist. Name your checklist according to the tasks it contains. For each checklist, you can add more items by clicking Add an Item. As you complete tasks, check them off to track your progress. This visual completion provides a satisfying way to see how much you've accomplished and helps in managing workloads effectively. Now you have a fully functioning Trello board to manage your projects efficiently. By following these steps, you're equipped to handle tasks methodically and enjoy the streamlined organization that Trello offers. Happy organizing!